Welcome to our Cinematic Storycraft English Learning YouTube channel. Today is very interesting story, My Evening Routine. This story is helpful for your English learning, listening, and speaking skills, so listen carefully and feel free and enjoy the story. My evening routine starts as the sun begins to set, casting a warm golden hue over the city. After a long day of work and responsibilities, I find solace in the quiet moments of the evening. The first thing I do when I arrive home is to change into comfortable clothes. Shedding the day's attire feels like shedding the stress and busyness of the outside world. Once dressed in my cozy loungewear, I feel a sense of calm wash over me, and I'm ready to embrace the evening. I head to the kitchen, where the faint aroma of herbs and spices lingers from last night's dinner. Cooking is my therapy, and I love experimenting with new recipes. Tonight, I decide to make a simple yet flavorful pasta dish. I gather the ingredients: fresh tomatoes, garlic, basil, and a generous amount of olive oil. As I chop the vegetables, the rhythmic motion of the knife against the cutting board is oddly soothing. I saute the garlic until it turns golden brown and fragrant, then add the tomatoes and basil, letting them simmer until they form a rich, savory sauce. The sizzle of the ingredients in the pan is music to my ears, and I feel a sense of accomplishment as the dish comes together. While the pasta boils, I set the table for one. I light a candle, its soft glow casting a gentle light over the room, and pour myself a glass of red wine. Dinner is a time for reflection, and I use this moment to unwind and appreciate the small joys of life. With each bite of the pasta, I savor the flavors and textures, feeling grateful for the simple pleasures. After dinner, I wash the dishes, enjoying the warm water on my hands and the satisfaction of a clean kitchen. With the evening stretching ahead of me, I decide to take a leisurely walk around the neighborhood. The air is cool and crisp, and the streets are bathed in the soft light of the street lamps. I pass by familiar houses and gardens, noting the changes in the flowers and trees as the seasons change. The walk is a chance to clear my mind and reconnect with my surroundings. I take deep breaths, inhaling the fresh evening air and feeling a sense of peace settle over me. Back home, I make a cup of herbal tea, the steam rising in gentle curls. I carry the cup to the living room and curl up on the sofa with a good book. Reading is my escape, a way to lose myself in different worlds and stories. Tonight, I'm engrossed in a mystery novel. The plot twists and turns, keeping me on the edge of my seat. The hours slip away as I become absorbed in the story, my mind focused solely on the characters and their adventures. As the night deepens, I take a moment to meditate. I find a comfortable spot on the floor, close my eyes, and take deep, measured breaths. Meditation helps me to center myself and let go of any lingering stress or worries. I focus on my breath, feeling the rise and fall of my chest, and allow my thoughts to drift away. This practice brings me a sense of calm and clarity, and I feel more connected to myself. Before heading to bed, I write in my journal. This is a cherished part of my routine, a time to reflect on the day and set intentions for the future. I jot down my thoughts and feelings, noting the highlights and challenges of the day. Writing helps me to process my experiences and gain insights into my emotions. It's a way to release any pent-up feelings and end the day on a positive note. Finally, I prepare for sleep. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and change into my favorite pajamas. I make sure the bedroom is cool and dark, creating a peaceful environment for rest. As I slip under the covers, I feel a sense of contentment and gratitude for the day. I take a few moments to relax, letting my body sink into the mattress, and soon drift off into a deep, restful sleep. My evening routine is a blend of relaxation and reflection, a time to unwind and recharge. It's a series of simple, mindful activities that bring me joy and peace. Each step, from cooking dinner to taking a walk, is a chance to slow down and appreciate the present moment. Through these rituals, I find balance and serenity, ending the day with a sense of fulfillment and calm. Comment your feedback, like and subscribe our channel.